up, everybody? Today we went to Ike's Love and Sandwiches, and we got ourselves some sandwiches today.
Yeah.
Ike's is kind of big in the Bay Area, so yeah. We're gonna go ahead and do a little taste test for you guys. I did get the Hollywood, of course, Hollywood.
And I got the, what did I get?
Menage a trois.
The Menage a trois.
You would get that too.
Man.
Yep. So today, we're gonna do like a little taste test and a little food review on Ike's Love and Sandwiches. Shout out to you, Ike's. You guys do a great job. Yeah. And so, I never tried this one before.
I never had this one either.
The Hollywood.
Oh, but Menage a trois, that's a whole nother conversation.
We did get Dutch Crunch as the bread. That's the first thing they ask you, actually.
Yep.
What kind of bread you like. So this is what it looks like, you guys. So much carbs.
Oh yeah.
So much carbs.
This was actually plan B too.
Show them again, man. Just one, up close and personal.
Yeah.
And like that, closer.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, dripping all over your car. Oh.
Oh man, it's all good, bruh.
Oh,
look at that. That looks good. All right, cool. Taste test, you guys. Taste test. Let's do it.
I can't wait to be done with this so I can have my caramel apple sucker.
What?
The suckers that they give you.
It's in there?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. All right, taste test, you guys.
Let's go. Halal chicken, tomatoes, lettuce, Swiss cheese.
I think I got tri-tip steak, some mushrooms, lettuce, tomatoes, everything, you guys. Ooh. Wait, make sure you're in the shot, bruh. Taking a bite. Throw 'em. Yeah, so the bread is good. Toasted, very nice. The steak, oh man. Perfectly seasoned, you guys. And it tastes so fresh. The tomatoes and lettuce gives it the little fresh factor. Oh, I'm happy about it, man. I don't know what the sauce is, bro, but it's leaking. Look at it.
The chicken is good.
How you like yours, man?
Good.
You can't see it though. Huh. It does look like a lot of bread, but the bread's light, you know? Man, I never order any other bread actually from Ike's.
You could tell though.
Dutch Crunch.
This crunch really ain't got no crunch to it though. It was baked probably a couple hours ago.
Damn, bro, you already going in?
I'm on my second one. The second half.
I'm trying to savor every bite, man. This is so good.
So hungry. Hella wet.
Ooh. Okay, closer, man. Ooh. Yeah. Oh man.
Look at that bread.
Ooh.
Well, it's actually shredded chicken.
It's good, man. It tastes really refreshing, you guys. Like, it beats fast food for sure. I'm not trying to eat like McDonald's burgers or Burger King burgers today.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Yeah. Happy about this, man. See, I don't eat at Ike's often, but whenever I do, it never disappoints you guys. Last bite for the first sandwich. Here goes the second one. Ooh, second Hollywood sandwich. Look at that. Look at the marinated tri-tip steak, the lettuce, tomatoes, the mushrooms. I think that's provolone cheese. Yo, it does get a little messy, but as you can see, it's worth it, y'all. Oh, you're almost done, huh? Check out this bite, y'all.
Inhaled it.
You can always count on Ike's. How was yours, man? You should rate it, bro.
I think the Mac Cane is better. The Mac Cane has 3 different meats, I think. I was gonna go for it again. I was like, oh, let me try something different. This one was good, but and the 49er. Wait, was it the 49er one? Whichever one has meatballs in it. That's real good.
Meatballs?
I forgot the name of that one.
Yo, here goes a piece of that steak, y'all. There it is. Look at that season to perfection. Put it right on top.
Nice bite, y'all.
I'm getting lettuce everywhere, you guys. Check out this bite. It's for you guys.
Yeah. Nice and carved up.
Hey, man. The mushrooms, they do so much for the sandwich, you guys. Like, you get a little bit of that flavor in every bite. The mushrooms or the steak. Whew. It's kind of heavy, huh?
Yeah. All kinds of flavor in that mushroom tip.
What?
Mushroom tri-tip.
Huh.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
There you go.
Yeah.
For all the folks that are local in the Bay Area, comment down below on your favorite Ike's sandwich, and comment down below if there's better sandwiches out there, you guys, because we're down to try it.
Yeah. Let us know which one we should try next.
Because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of sandwich spots in the Bay Area that we have not tried yet. A lot of hole in the walls, a lot of secret areas, secret restaurants, secret mom and pop shops that we need to hit up.
Have you done a little Lucas video yet? You did, huh? Yeah.
Last bite, you guys. This is it. This is it. Last one.
Damn.
It's over.
Yeah.
That mushroom's good, man. The mushroom and the tri-tip steak, that's what did it for me, man.
Real good.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
I give it an 8.
Man, I'm satisfied, dude. I think I'm done eating for the day. That's probably like a whopping 800 calories probably, who knows.
Yeah.
Woo! But nonetheless, I would come back. Ike's, keep it up, you guys. There's like 10 other things on the menu we haven't tried yet.
Yeah, there's a lot of things on the menu. But
for the most part, I give a thumbs up for the Hollywood. As you guys saw, it's very meaty, very refreshing. A lot of carbs, a lot of starches, but you need that.
Yeah.
You need all that, you guys. You need all of that. You need the energy. So comment down below on your favorite spot to get grilled cheese sandwiches though. Because Starbucks kind of let us down. Yeah. And we're due for another grilled cheese sandwich, you guys. We did do one, but we kind of made it from home.
We made it and then we layered it, and yeah, that was good. But one of those videos of like when you make your grilled cheese, you replace the butter with mayonnaise.
And then what? It just sounds really fatty, bro.
That's it. Like you replace it with mayonnaise, and supposedly it
tastes better.
It makes the bread
golden.
Yeah, like even better than butter.
Whoa. We're gonna have to put that to the test. If you guys have already tried that, comment down below.
Yeah.
If you guys haven't already, follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, and subscribe to Anthony's Takes, y'all. Yeah. And his YouTube channel. Come on over, you guys. Down below on the next challenge you guys want to see, and comment down below on the next video you guys want us to see, or a restaurant you guys want us to try, or types of food you guys want us to do. Just comment down below, you guys. Yeah. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the love and support. See you on the next video. Peace. If you made it this far in the video, I love you. MMS. Peace.